Here are the tools and supplies you'll need for the project. A hammer, a pencil and a square, 2 or 3 quick-release bar clamps that will open wide enough to fit the column, a tape measure, a screw gun with a Phillips head bit, a circular saw with a trim or fine blade, heavy-duty PVC cement, Cortex screws and PVC plugs, and a Cortex driver bit, 2-inch weather-resistant bugle head screws, and a level. Begin by measuring the height of the post to be wrapped. Transfer the measurement to the column. Concealed column wraps come temporarily assembled. It's easiest if you keep them this way until you cut them to length. Cut the column to length using a circular saw. This section of column can now be removed and set aside. Place the main section of the column around the post. You may want to check the column to see that it's plumb. The wrap can be shimmed if necessary. Secure this section to the post with a weather-resistant screw at the bottom and at the top of the post. Now lay the remaining section on a flat surface and apply PVC cement along the entire joint edges on both sides. Stand the section in place. Use a bar clamp to hold the bottom in place and begin the locking process. Now with an additional clamp, continue to work up the column, drawing the sections together, fully engaging the joint. And repeat this process along the other edge. Finish securing the column to the post with a screw at the bottom and at the top. To begin installing the base, remove the one side and place the other section around the column. Run PVC cement along both joint edges of the remaining section. Align the section on the column and draw together using bar clamps. Secure to the column using 2 Cortex screws. And finish by inserting the PVC plugs to cover the screws. Repeat this screw and plug procedure on the opposite side of the column. Capital installation is completed in the same manner as the base.